Hi fam, welcome back to my channel. This is Medea J, and as you can see from the title of the video, we're going to get down with lip swatches today. So this is me bringing back the old-fashioned Medea J, lip swatching her entire collection. I did do lip swatches of my pink lipsticks last year, because I don't have that many pink lipsticks, so I say that, but then I think I had over 50. But I do have that video, so if you are interested. And I also have older videos swatching pinks, purples, reds, neutral colors, so definitely check out my lip swatch playlist, which will also be linked in the description box. But today, because I have such a large collection, much larger than many years ago, I've decided to split these lip swatches into affordable and possibly indie, and then high end, depending on how many I have. So not all the categories will have like 3 sections, I don't think, but the ones that I have big amounts of lipsticks, for example the neutrals, I might have to split it up just to be kind on my lips. But in today's video, we're going to be looking at my affordable nude neutral lipsticks. So these are my lipsticks that I've decided to keep in my collection. They work for me. I'm able to wear them. I love them. And yeah, so I'm just going to be showing you what I've got. When I say drugstore, I mean drugstore here in the UK that I can actually go in and purchase these products. So we're talking about Makeup Revolution. We're talking about NYX. I think those are the 2 categories that I have here. So we're going to be swatching them, and then hopefully I should be doing indie and then my higher end, because I believe that I have more neutral colors than any other color in my collection. I may be wrong, but that's what I feel. Anyway, if that sounds interesting to you, then let's jump right in. Okay, I do want to show you the lip pencils that I use with my neutral nude lipsticks. So these are the brown nude lipsticks and also brown lip colors. So I use a lot of brown lip pencils for these. So I've got the Morphe lip pencil, Morphe pencil in bar. This has a really nice warm brown feel to it, so I love using this one for the lip products that are in between a cool tone and warm tone feel. I've got it all sourced in my head, so it's good. And then my favorite, which you guys see me use all the time, is the MUA lip pencil in Obsession. It's very close to the Morphe one, except it's slightly, ever so slightly lighter. So these are my more lighter neutrals that I like to use them for, or if I'm lazy I just reach for it because it's easy. And then this one is new to my collection. This is the Plouise pencil in Standards. This is pretty much a cool tone brown. It looks like that. It's that one. I know on camera they're all gonna look the same to you, but bear with. And then for my more, like if I really want a deep sexy outline, I go for the Trueglam lip pencil in Cocoa Bean, and that's a much darker brown. It's that one over there. Okay, and then if I just want something light, you know, just like a caramel brown type, then I go for the Gerard Cosmetics Mudslide lip pencil, which is different from all of them. So you can see it's very warm and lighter. So these are the lip pencils that I use. I will try my best, because I do have quite a lot to swatch, to say which lip pencil I'm using with each lip color as I swatch them. I'm nervous, you guys, because it's a lot. This is way more than like my entire collection has done. Yeah, you know. But let's play some music. You kick back and let's get into this. Oh my gosh, so that's 18 lip products swatched with lip pencil. So definitely let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And then look out for the next part of this. So, and definitely let me know your favorite colors, combinations, how you would wear some of these products, because I don't always use a lip pencil, so I try to show that in some of the lip colors. But let me know your thoughts. Let me know what lip pencils you would actually use if you're not a brown lip pencil kind of girl. Just if you want to share anything, definitely go ahead and do so in the comment section. I will have all these products linked in the description as well. Please use those links if you plan on buying these products. Creating links is a lot of work. Writing the product names is a lot of work, and I would really appreciate it if you use the links in the description box. It means I make a little bit of a commission, and I'm talking pence. I'm talking pennies, you guys, but at least it helps me towards the channel, and it doesn't make me feel like the time I use to put the products in the description is a waste or anything. But yeah, if you want to support me, definitely use the affiliate links in the description box, and I will catch you in a future video. Now remember, God doesn't like ugly. Be nice to someone today, and Black lives will always matter, and I'll see you soon. Bye.